Hey guys, how's it's going? I hope all of you guys must be fine and enjoying your great health and along your trading as well. Today is 2nd November 2020 and I'm sure that every day is going to bring a lot of happiness for all of you guys. Always keep learning and never give up because forex trading is not a tough job. It's really easy if you follow proper discipline and everything. According to my experience so far in trading, I always believe in one thing. If you are consistent in trading, honestly speaking, you can never lose any kind of money. Consistency is the key for getting success in trading, and that's really important. Now, in trading, we have three types of stuff. One is technical analysis, second one is fundamental analysis, and third one is psychology, or what can I say, sentimental analysis. My dear friends, problem is most of the traders, in my previous video I have explained one of the thing for the important habit for a forex trader. Now the problem is most of traders they don't look on important aspects of market, on the economic calendars and on the economic indicators, all of those things. I'm gonna publish a complete course on these fundamental aspects of market and what are the main events that are really important in trade. Now, dear traders, you always need to stay in touch with the market and important aspects of the markets. US election is coming from tomorrow and it is going to bring a lot of impact on the market because market there will be a great volatility in the market as well, especially in the pairs of gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, and all other pairs. Now, thing is, I want to show you one important thing. This is the weekly chart of USD CHF, and you guys are going to be really surprised having seeing its crash. In 2015, on 15, you know, January in 2015, there was a crash in the market in USD CHF and this pair fall down for the 5000 pips. Can you believe that? From here you can see that, and it went up to there. And on that day, even broker like Alpari, I can show you even this article. Alpari UK currency broker falls over Swiss francs per mile. Okay, and you can see here the date as well of this article. Even if you go to Google and you can search it as well, Alpari broker crash. Now there were millions of people who suffered from this broker problem, okay, and they were affected largely, and this broker was completely bankrupt, and there were big issues for this broker. Basically, my point is, dear students, whenever there are such type of important news, if you are trading, don't forget to use stop loss. Even in such type of cases, when there is a gap in the market, even market and your broker will not accept the stop loss, and that's not their fault because there is a gap and there is so much volatility in the market, and that's not even broker's fault. So you need to be really careful. My point is this: in a single day, within 1 to 2 hours, and this happened in just within 5 minutes, honestly speaking, you can see that within just 5 minutes there was a big crash in the market and everything gone. A lot of people suffered from a lot of loss, and there were some people who made a lot of money from in this. So my point is, from tomorrow elections are starting and after that we are going to have a lot of volatility. Don't even think to forget about stop loss. Don't even think. Always set your stop loss. And the most important thing is don't trade overnight. Don't let your trades run for the night. And especially at the weekends, don't trades. I mean to say, none of your trades should be open for the next Monday. On the Friday night, no of your trades should be open for next Monday. This is really important. Let me show you what happened on Brexit. Now this is the week of the Brexit, 2016 24 of June, right? So this happened, this crash was in the Brexit, and even in the month of March I can show you we had a crash in the market of GBP USD as well. So such type of scenarios, they really impact market as well. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. A currency short, January 15, 2015. Okay, now this crash happened, and such type of things can really affect up the market. Now no one teacher mentor is never going to talk about such type of things, but these are really important things, and it can really blow up your account if you are not using stop loss, you know. So these are really important. You should be really careful for such type of days. Even I can recommend you not to trade during these days, especially tomorrow whenever elections will be going on. So you need to be really careful, okay? And you can check up these things as well. You can go to Google and you can write up this January 15 USD CHF crash, and you will get up also this article as well. Even I will put up this article, you know, in my description as well. So my basically point is, always use stop loss. Don't forget about stop loss. Next important point is, do not trade overnight. Just do little bit scalping in during these days, and after that, especially on the Friday, none of your trades should be open for the next Monday. Whatever results of US election are going to come, you should do your best from your side, because I'm expecting great volatility in the market, and there could be two sides. It can make you a lot of rich, or it can wipe up your account. Now choice is yours. Always take care. Even if there are not big news, you should be really careful for your trading. So I'm sure that all of you guys must understand what I am trying to say. Okay, don't forget to put stop loss and be really careful in your trading. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you so much.